conference will go to the World Cup, Coach?
Well, the next tournament that we will play also is for the under-23 team, which will happen from August 16 to 24, also in Petaling Jaya. So we will have 6 players there also. The idea is really to expand the pool and get the best talent possible to represent our country. So for your question, again, it is going to be studied religiously.
Yes. But what kind of program? Parang ang liit nga ng panahon to prepare for the world competition.
But what we see right now is in a situation wherein we really have to come out with the best possible team for us to be very, very competitive in the international level. So the first thing that we're really looking at, are we getting blue chip players? Are we getting players who can deliver the goods for us? And it is a testament as to how the program is being run. These are top players in their respective schools. So yun din po yung vision natin. In the next few days, we're gonna come up with our under-23 team. These are top and blue chip players also. So tinataas lang natin yung level natin sa 3x3. There's a different kind of enthusiasm and understanding and excitement sa 3x3 program. Historically, 3x3 program is just a sideshow. But now it's a centerpiece event. It's a centerpiece event because it is now part of the Olympics. So even the players are actually volunteering, Coach, can I be part of that team? So it is a very gratifying feeling now for the program and for the federation na dumadami na yung may interest level na maglaro ng 3x3. And this is what we're producing.
Yes, okay. For Coach JJ, what do you think of the World Cup campaign?
It's another great opportunity for Philippine basketball, especially for 3x3, to have a good showing there. So we're going to do the best that we can to get the right players there and at least train extensively during the time that the players have availability.
Yes, okay. So sa mga players naman yun din, what do you think of the World campaign? And then doon sa naging kampanya nyo sa Malaysia where you won, ano kaya ang naging key doon na pwedeng dalhin ulit natin come the next big competition? Yes, Earl.
Yung key na pwede namin dalhin, siguro po, unang-una, yung chemistry po namin sa Malaysia, sobrang ano po kami, parang magkakapatid na po kami. Isa po yun na nakatulong po sa amin sa games po. Sana madala din po namin yun or kung sino man papadala po doon. Sana po madala din po yung chemistry na gano'n sa World Cup po.
Siguro yung one of the keys din na ginawa namin sa Malaysia is being open to ideas. Everyone, as in, after the game, anong pagkakamali namin, anong mga magandang nagawa namin. I think in that way, mas nagiging madali yung game para sa amin kasi nakita namin na yung mga dapat namin itama. And I think sa World Cup, mas kaya namin, mas mapapadali yung trabaho namin when ganoon pa rin yung approach namin sa game.
Siguro po yung key na madala pa namin sa kumpiyansa po namin na nanalo po kami sa Malaysia.
Okay, thank you.